Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin price because it's been pumping like crazy this last 48 hours, mainly because of firstly Brazil announced a document upon which people are speculating that they might make cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin as a legal tender to be used in Brazil, which caused a crazy spike in Bitcoin's price, which we're going to look at now. And also Powell gave an interesting speech regarding interest rates as well yesterday. So we're going to look at both of these things, and the stock market has caused an up spike as well due to Powell's speech. So without further ado, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. Again, age is just a number, but so is Bitcoin's price. So let's get into the chart. So this is the Bitcoin price on the hourly, and we can see two things. So the first thing is, this was the last video we made 2 days ago, I believe. It was right here where we did a short action. I'm going to show you on BitGet. We have a open order because I didn't realize this, but a couple of videos back we were looking at key targets on Bitcoin, and we saw that this resistance, which we opened the trade at $16,800, was very bullish if we broke it, because it dated back to around here, and this was a very important resistance. So we opened this trade, we set this trade out a couple of days back, and it is doing absolutely amazing. So I'm so glad that we did this trigger position, look back, and if we broke this target, it would be very bullish for Bitcoin. So we did that, so we have a very good trade up and going right now. Also, our last couple of trades we were able to make some profit as well, which was awesome. And by the way, currently we're doing a $1,000 demo trading challenge. So we're doing this together so we can see how much we improve, what we get. So right now it's doing amazing. So make sure to turn on your notifications, like and subscribe if you want to catch up with me. So that would be awesome, and especially if you'd like, that would be awesome too. So this is what Bitcoin is doing right now. Now we had two things, right? So we opened the trade. We exactly in the last video, I'll put a card at the top right section. We drew this resistance level, right? This resistance box on the 4-hourly chart, I believe it was, and we opened a long position. We opened a short position. If we broke here, we would take a profit at exactly $16,000. Now this is at $16,004, so I may have missed it by a couple of dollars. If we go back, I think this was the one. Yeah, we missed it, so we got stopped out. We had a very thin stop loss at here, so it's fine, it's okay. We got stopped out, but that happens, it's fine. So if we jump to the 1-hourly chart again, so this is what happened, and we broke to the upside. Now the massive spike in price here was caused by this. So Brazil approves bill regulating the use of Bitcoin as payment. So in summary, right, the bill applies to broadly sector, which it calls virtual assets, and now only needs the president's signature before it becomes the law. However, currently not yet. It doesn't make it a legal tender in the country, but it just requires the president's signature. So have a read of this article as well on Bitcoin Magazine if you want to do more of your research. But the country's capital rules Bitcoin's digital representation of value that can be used as a means of payment and as an investment asset in the South American region. So this is crazy bullish, because Brazil is a huge region and a huge nation. So this is, of course, it is very bullish news, and it caused Bitcoin to have a massive scale to the upside. And I'm going to tell you the percentage if I can find it. Where is it? Where is the percentage? God, this is. Anyways, it was from $16,450 to $16,800. So that is a crazy uprise in price. And then we formed this bullish flag, so this bullish continuation. And then we, touched the EMA ribbons, bounced right back up, and broke to the upside. Now what we're forming is a broadening wedge after a bullish continuation. However, the two things that are scary is that we got a sell on the parabolic SAR. Now this is not nice, because whenever there's a sell on the parabolic SAR, we fall down significantly. However, just 2 candles ago, we formed another buy. This could mean we could continue and break out from this broadening wedge. Also mainly due to this news, because on Wednesday, as I said, Powell gave a speech saying that, it makes sense to moderate the pace of our interest rates as we approach the level of resistance that will be sufficient to bring the inflation down low. Now, of course, this is very bullish, because if they reduce, increasing the interest rates, then people won't have to pay so much money in terms of taking out loans, which is very beneficial for the economy, for people to take out loans. And when the interest rates are too high, people will have to pay so much money back to get the loan, so it doesn't make sense. So of course, this is very bullish, and it caused the S&P to have a very nice little run on Wednesday. As you can see, it has been absolutely incredible for the S&P. Now, Bitcoin will likely follow this trend according to TA. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own opinion only, but it does look pretty good. We could see a short-term reversal, in which in that case we would fall down to this resistance here, because then we would also form a head and shoulders pattern, which is like so. If I can find my brush, so here one, this is the head and this is the second shoulder, and then it would cause us to come back down to the lows of around here. Yeah, so that could happen potentially. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna keep our trade, right? We're gonna close the trade if we hit here. So if we hit the low of $16,975, right, we're gonna add a close to this trade. So if we look at our position currently, we're gonna put the take profit. I understand. We should have an open order right now. No, we don't. Okay, so perfect. So we can put a take profit. I understand. So our take profit, we're gonna put it, right, since we're continuing this trade, I'm gonna put it so it's the size of this, hold on, if we do this bull flag right now, because this is a mix of a broadening wedge and a bull flag, we can just do this, and I'm gonna see if there's any prior resistances over here. Perfect. Okay, this touches it perfectly. Okay, this is awesome. This is a huge level of resistance. So that's $17,570. I'm just gonna put $17,500, right? So not to be any greedy, and put it a little below as well. So this is gonna be our take profit, right? So that's gonna be our take profit. That's awesome. And our stop loss is if we hit, what was it, $16,975. So $16,975, that is our take profit, our stop loss, and that would still put us into a profit. So that's awesome. So that's what we're gonna do. And our second thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna double down on the position if we break to the upside. So if we switch to the 1 hourly chart, I'm not gonna rush this, right? We will take this profit, right? I'm not going to push into a short trade because there's no need to rush and be an aggressive trader. However, if we do break to the upside, then there is some significant potential. So that's why we put a take profit to the upside. But if we do break to the downside, I believe we can reevaluate on the next video if we form this head and shoulders pattern. But that's it for me today. I just want to look at Meta because, a couple of days back, I told you there was a huge hack on Meta, and even though it's been pumping like crazy, so there's been crazy reverse psychology with Meta, we drew this pennant and we absolutely broke to the upside right now. So Meta, if you're interested and you're trading stocks, that was crazy prediction as well. Funding rates look negative, so it's a nice time to long. That adds to the probability of Bitcoin breaking to the upside. Also hit me a follow up on Twitter because I can update you guys much quickly on Twitter, like breaking news that Telegram will build a non-custodial wallet and a decentralized exchange. And also check the link out for my free Telegram channel in the link in the description below. That's where I put all the alerts and the quick updates as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.